gushidikanya kimwe mu bintu bizagufasha kumenya icyongereza bitagutwaye n'imbaraga, gusobanukirwa interuro zikunda kugaruka ukazimenya neza ukaba ushobora kuba wazikoresha mu buzima busanzwe, ni kimwe mu bintu bizagufasha kwiga icyongereza. Niyo mpamvu tugiye gufata uyu mwanya turebera hamwe interuro zigiye zitandukanye zagufasha mu rugendo rwawe rwo kwiga ndetse ukavuga neza icyongereza. Kumenya grammar ni byiza, ariko kumenya interuro uzifashisha mu bihe bigiye bitandukanye, muri situation zitandukanye, ni kimwe mu bintu bizagufasha kuba wakwiga icyongereza ndetse bitakuvunye. Ariyo mpamvu tugiye gufata uyu mwanya tureba izi nteruro. Hari interuro bibuze kuba ngombwa yuko ngenda ngira andi makuru muhereza kugira ngo urusheho gusobanukirwa. That's what you are going to be doing. Nibyo tugiye kuba dukora, twiga interuro zikoreshwa mu buzima busanzwe watangira kugenda ukoresha. Mu gihe byaba biri ngombwa, ushobora kuba wafata n'interuro zimwe na zimwe ukazandika ahantu, mu gihe ahantu uri bishobora kuba byagukundira. But bitagukundiye, that's fine, nabyo ntacyo bitwaye. Alright, now let's start. We have Dad and Mom are in the kitchen. Dad and Mom are in the kitchen. Bivuze ngo papa na mama bari mu gikoni. Dad and Mom are in the kitchen. Hano twavuga ngo Mom is in the kitchen, ariko kuva dufite Dad and Mom babaye abantu babiri, turakoresha Dad and Mom are in the kitchen. Interuro ikurikiyeho ni what time is it? Twakagombye kuvuga ngo what time is it, ariko turavuga ngo what time kubera ko dufite t ebyiri, imwe turayikuramo tuvuge ngo what time is it, ni ryari cyangwa se ni sangapi. What time is it? What time is it? Ni ryari, ni sangapi. What color cyangwa se what color. What color ni iyi t nshatse nayikuraho kuko iyi t ikurikiranye n'indi ngombajwi nshatse nayikuraho, kavuga ngo what color is her hair. What color is her hair. Cyangwa nabivuga ntihuse nkavuga ngo what color is her hair. Umusatsi we ufite irihe bara. What color is her hair. Umusatsi we ufite irihe bara. What kind of clothes do you like to wear? What kind of clothes do you like to wear? Ni ubuhe bwoko bw'imyenda ukunda kwambara. Tuvuga to wear, ntabwo ari wear, ni to wear. What kind ni ubuhe bwoko. What kind of clothes do you, wavuga ngo do ushatse do. What kind of clothes do you like to wear? Ni ubuhe bwoko bw'imyenda ukunda kwambara. Which school do you go to? Which school do you go to? Ni ikihe kigo wigaho. Which school do you go to? What is your favorite toy? What is cyangwa se what is your favorite toy. Ntabwo ari favorite, ni favorite. What is cyangwa se what is your favorite toy. Ni ikihe gikinisho ukunda cyane. Ni ikihe gikinisho ukunda. Which road leads to the zoo? Which road leads to the zoo? Ni uwuhe muhanda ugera ahaba inyamaswa. Zoo ni agaparike bakora mu mujyi abantu baba bikoreye, atari parike y'umwimerere. Uvuga ngo it's artificial park. Ni park abantu biremera atari natural, niyo twita zoo. Nko mu mijyi ahantu ugasanga haba inyamaswa niho twita zoo. Which road leads to the zoo? Ni uwuhe muhanda ugera ahaba inyamaswa. Which runner is the winner? Which runner is the winner? Ni uwuhe mwirukansi watsinze. Which runner is the winner? Do you know which girl won the prize? Do you know which girl won the prize? Waba uzi umukobwa watsindiye igihembo? Do you know which girl won the prize? Prize ni igihembo. Do you know ni ukukubaza ngo se waba uzi? Which girl won the prize? Waba uzi umukobwa watsindiye igihembo? Tuvuga won. Ntabwo ari won, ni won. Do you know which girl won the prize? Won the prize. Whose baby is this? Whose baby is this? Uyu mwana ni wande. Whose baby is this? Whose dog was barking in the middle of the night? Whose dog was barking in the middle of the night? Ninde shebuja w'imbwa yari iri kumoka mu gicuku nijoro? Whose dog was barking in the middle of the night? Bark ni ukumoka. Bark kumoka. Middle ni hagati. Iyo dufite ijambo rirangizwa na le ikurikiye ingombajwi tuvuga o, tuvuga middle. Okay? Whose dog was barking in the middle of the night? Ninde shebuja w'imbwa yari iri kumoka mu gicuku nijoro? Whose footprints are these? Whose footprints are these? Ibi birenge ni ibyande. Whose footprints are these? There is a castle on the hill. There is a castle on the hill. Ku musozi hariho ikigoyi. There is a castle on the hill. There is a fence around the school. There is a fence around the school. Hari uruzitiro ruzengurutse ikigo. There is a fence ni uruzitiro, around the school. There are a lot of books in the library. There are a lot of books in the library. Mu isomero hari ibitabo byinshi. There are a lot of books in the library. There are 2 guards at the gate. There are 2 guards at the gate. Hari abashinzwe umutekano babiri ku gipangu cyangwa ku marembo. There are 2 guards at the gate. Is there any food in the fridge? Is there any food in the fridge? Haba hari ibiryo biri muri frigo? Is there any food in the fridge? Are there any apples left on the tree? Are there any apples left on the tree? Haba hari pome zisigaye mu giti? Are there any apples left on the tree? How much rice is there? How much rice is there? Hari umuceri ungana iki? Dukoresha how much ku bintu bitabarika. Iyo ari ibintu bibarika dukoresha how many. Kuva rero umuceri utabarika tuvuga how much rice is there? Hari umuceri ungana iki? There are few sharks in the water. There are a few sharks in the water. Mu mazi harimo shaka nkeya. There are few sharks in the water. There are enough candies for everyone. Aren't they? There are enough candies for everyone. Aren't they? Hari bombo zihagije kuri buri umwe. Si zihari? There are enough candies for everyone. Aren't they? There are 2 pigeons on the roof. There are 2 pigeons on the roof. Ku rusenge hari inuma ebyiri. Tuvuga pigeons, izi ni inuma. There are 2 pigeons on the roof. There are some clouds in the sky. There are some clouds in the sky. Hari ibicu mu kirere. There are some clouds in the sky. Hari ibicu mu kirere. I am playing chess with my friend. I am playing chess with my friend. Ndi gukina dame n'inshuti zanjye. Chess niyo twita dame. She's riding a horse. She's riding a horse. She is nihinduka she's. Iyo tuvuga turahina. Ari gutwara ifarasi. He's taking a walk in the park. He's taking a walk in the park. Ari gutemberera muri pariki. The man's counting the money. Hano ni ukuvuga ngo the man is counting the money. Twabihina tukavuga ngo the man's counting the money. Umugabo ari kubara amafaranga. They are practicing tai chi. They are practicing tai chi. Bari kwitoza tai chi. We are rushing to the airport to meet Mr. Smith. We are rushing to the airport to meet Mr. Smith. Turi kwihutira kujya ku kibuga cy'indege guhura na Mr. Smith cyangwa se na Bwana Smith. We are rushing to the airport to meet Mr. Smith. They are still sleeping. They are still sleeping. Baracyasinziriye. They are still sleeping. They are swimming in the sea. They are swimming in the sea. Bari koga mu nyanja. What are they doing? What are they doing? Ni ibiki barimo gukora cyangwa se bari gukora iki? What are they doing? What's happening? What's happening? Ni iki kiri kuba? What's happening? Ni iki kiri kuba? Why aren't you? Tuvuga aren't you? Why aren't you doing your homework? Why aren't you doing your homework? Ni ukubera iki utari gukora umukoro? Why aren't you doing your homework? Aren't I sitting up straight? Aren't I sitting up straight? Sinicaye nemye. We are going camping tomorrow. We are going camping tomorrow. Tuzajya gukampinga ejo. I'm starting piano lessons soon. I'm starting piano lessons soon. Ndatangira isomo rya piano vuba aha. I'm starting piano lessons soon. Jim's parents are taking him to Texas next week. Jim's parents are taking him to Texas next week. Ababyeyi ba Jim bazamujyana muri Texas mu cyumweru gitaha. My favorite TV program is starting in a minute. My favorite, nakubwiye ko tuvuga favorite. My favorite TV program is starting in a minute. Ikiganiro nkunda kigiye guca kuri televiziyo mu kanya. Iyo tuvuze in a minute ntabwo ari mu munota ahubwo ni mu kanya. My favorite TV program is starting in a minute. All our friends are coming. All our friends are coming. Inshuti zacu zose ziri kuza. All our friends are coming. All our friends are coming. Who's bringing salad for the barbecue? Who's bringing salad for the barbecue? Ninde urazana salade ku cyokezo? Who's bringing salad for the barbecue? I am visiting Joe next week. I am visiting Joe next week. Nzasura Joe mu cyumweru gitaha. I am visiting Joe next week. Dukoresha present continuous turi kuvuga ikintu kizaba mu gihe kiri imbere. Icyo gihe tukakigaragaza. Where are you going for your vacation? Where are you going for your vacation? Ni hehe uzajya mu kiruhuko cyawe? Where are you going for your vacation? What are we eating for dinner? Turi gukoresha present continuous tuvuga ikintu kiraza kuba mu gihe kiri imbere. What are we eating for dinner? Turarya iki nijoro? What are we eating for dinner? He has a lot of stamps. He has a lot of stamps. Afite kashe nyinshi. She has long hair. She has long hair. Afite umusatsi muremure. She has long hair. Our house has large windows. Our house has large windows. Inzu yacu ifite amadirishya maremare. Our house has large windows. I have a young brother. I have a young brother. Mfite murumuna wanjye muto. I have a young brother. We have art lessons on Mondays. We have art lessons on Mondays. Twiga isomo ry'ubugeni kuwa mbere. We have art lessons on Mondays. Have a cookie if you like. Have a cookie if you like. Akira biswi niba ushaka, cyangwa fata biswi niba ushaka, cyangwa irya biswi niba ushaka. Nibyo bivuga have a cookie if you like. Cookie ni biswi ariko ni icyongereza cy'ikinyamerika. Icyongereza cy'abongereza ni biscuit. Daddy has a cold. Daddy has a cold ni ukuvuga ngo papa arwaye ibicurane. Ntabwo bivuze ngo arakonje, ahubwo birasobanura ngo arwaye ibicurane. Daddy has a cold. Jenny often has sandwiches for lunch. Jenny often has sandwiches for lunch. Akenshi Jenny akunda kurya sandwich saa sita. Jenny often has sandwiches for lunch. Akenshi Jenny aba afite sandwich zo kurya saa sita. Jenny has often sandwiches for lunch. Sam has scored 2 goals. Sam has scored 2 goals. Sam yatsinze ibitego bibiri. Sam has scored 2 goals. I've just finished my shower. I've just finished my shower. Namaze kwiyuhagira. I've just finished my shower. Uncle Tom has lost his wallet. Uncle Tom has lost his wallet. Marume Tom yabuze ikofi ye. John has gone out. John has gone out. John yasohotse. The Lees have moved to Ohio. The Lees have moved to Ohio. Liz yagiye muri Ohio. It has not rained for months. It has not rained for months. Hashize amezi imvura itagwa. It has not rained for months. Have you found your keys yet? Have you found your keys yet? Waba warabonye imfunguzo zawe? Have you found your keys yet? Cyangwa se wabonye imfunguzo zawe? Tim has made 2 spelling mistakes. Tim has made 2 spelling mistakes. Tim yakoze amakosa abiri yo kuvuga nabi. Tim has made 2 spelling mistakes. They have opened a new shop. They have opened a new shop. Bafunguye iduka rishya. They have opened a new shop. I bought a new camera last week. I bought a new camera last week. Naguze kamera nshyashya mu cyumweru cyashize. I bought, verb to buy mu gihe cyatambutse iba bought. Naguze, to buy, kugura. I bought a new camera last week. Joe learned to play the guitar very quickly. Joe learned. Tuvuga learned ntabwo ari learned, ni learned. Joe learned to play the guitar very quickly. Joe yize gucuranga gitari vuba. We drove to the safari park last weekend. We drove to the safari park last weekend. Twagiye muri pariki ya safari mu cyumweru gishize. We drove to the safari park last weekend. Yesterday, Daddy took me to carnival. Yesterday, Daddy took me to carnival. Ejo hashize, papa yanjyanye mu birori by'iserukiramuco. Yesterday, Daddy took me to the carnival. The plane landed a few minutes ago. The plane landed a few minutes ago. Indege yaguye mu minota mike ishize, cyangwa se yaparitse mu minota ishize, cyangwa se yaparitse mu minota mike ishize. The plane landed a few minutes ago. The children visited a farm during the holidays. The children visited a farm during the holidays. Abana basuye urwuri mu biruhuko. Who invented the computer? Who invented the computer? Ninde wavumbuye mudasobwa? Jack and Jill went up the hill. Jack and Jill went up the hill. Jack na Jill batereye umusozi. Little Red Riding Hood decided to visit her grandmother. Umukobwa muto yahisemo gusura nyogokuru we. She decided to visit her grandmother. She decided to visit her grandmother. Yiyemeje gusura nyogokuru we.